Hi, my name is John Foltz, and today I'll be giving my Week 8 multimedia presentation going over the things I've learned this semester. Five of the things that I have learned are the leadership theories. They really interested me. Um, the trait theory basically stating that you're inherently born with leadership qualities. The behavioral theory stating that certain behavioral aspects make a great leader. And my personal favorite is the situational theory, where the leader needs to change with each situation that he or she is in. Frederick Taylor's theory of scientific management, basically stating how a worker could become more efficient based on how close an object is to him or her, or just relatively being overall and more efficient. The POST-CORB theory, basically stating how important planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, and budgeting is within a organization. And Max Weber's theory on bureaucracy, as well as the different types of federalism. Um, the situational leadership interested me because I feel like it directly applies to someone that I would want to be or possibly become. Um, the scientific management because I'm always looking at ways to become more efficient, so I think it really drew me to that topic. And the POST-CORB theory because I've always been interested in owning and operating my own business, so I feel like that kind of drew me to that topic. One topic that I'm likely to share is the POST-CORB theory just because of what I just discussed, my interest in possibly opening up my own business. I feel like it's a good foundation on how to get started and kind of head you in the right direction. The most surprising topic that I learned this semester was Max Weber's bureaucracy theory. I felt like it was quite extensive, but good information that I really took a lot from. So, hope you guys had a great semester. Hope you have a good one.